Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to quickly give you, this is basically a note for myself, but it might help someone else's as well. I ordered a set of rear suspension screws, or the bolts and the bits. Marty had a video out and it said this is quite a nice upgrade to your suspension on your S22, and I followed these instructions. So I got a 80mm one and a 75mm one. Now according to his video, he said that the 75 is for the bottom and the 80 is for the top of the suspension. So what this is going to do is it's going to fill the gap between the two suspension arms and holding the shock in the middle. So when you tighten it, it basically just clamps the bolt, and it creates free movement in the shock arm. So when it goes up and down, it just runs on that. You don't really tighten the sides into the side of the suspension arms. So the suspension, the shock can run freely on it. Okay, so what I found, the 80mm one, he said one washer on the one side. I fitted the one washer and that worked well. The bottom one, I found the 75mm to be too long, and I installed two washers on the inside. If I install one, it's still too much space on the one side. If I install both within the holes, it doesn't really work as well. So I fit the spaces on the inside. I'll quickly show you where I fitted that, so it might help you if you come to replace your suspension bolts. Also, the standard screws that fits into the tops here, they do not work on the ones that you order. You have to use the ones with that comes with the bolts. The other thing is as well is I've got some blue Loctite, and that also worked quite well. So let me quickly show you where this is. Okay, so let me quickly just show you what I did. So on the top here, I fitted the 80mm bolt and one washer on the one side, on this side. No, the washer is on that side. Okay, on your right hand side. For the bottom one, I fitted the washers here in the middle of the shock. So both sides of this little sleeve, I fitted the washers in there, and then used the 75mm bolt on the bottom, and that worked fine. But otherwise, it's a fairly easy upgrade, and it's supposed to make the suspension run much smoother. So you don't, with the bolts, you don't clamp onto the shock. It just is able to run free. I've got the Kingsong sliders, and I've been developing a squeak. I don't know if you can hear that. That is, for me, super annoying, and I think this is something with probably one of the bearings that is busted within the thing. So, but I'm going to ride it for 100 miles, and then I'll strip this whole thing apart and show you guys how it looks like on the bearing side. But yeah, just want to quickly bring you a video of the S22 and the bolt upgrade. Yeah, I can't really feel any difference yet because I've got the slider updates, but at least now I know there's way less friction on these two bolts. Okay guys, I hope this helps someone. Give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and cheers.